Hello guys, welcome to Supremacy No classes. Guys, be ready for a legal dictation especially prepared for Ranchi PO skill examinations and Patna High Court steno skill examination. Be ready. 5 seconds. Law points. Production of additional evidence, recording of evidence in civil cases. Facts. According to the respondent, the appellant made various purchases on credit from them for which payments were made in parts and the same were credited to his account maintained by them. Full stop. It is alleged by the respondent that after adjusting all the payments being made by the appellant, an amount of rupees 4,35,250.18 is due against his firm. Full stop. Despite repeated demands, requests, and reminders, the appellant has not cleared the outstanding amount. Full stop. The respondent instituted a suit against appellant for recovery of sum of rupees 4,35,250.18 along with interest occurred thereon. Full stop. The respondent moved two applications, one under Order 7, Rule 14, read with Section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 for placing on record certain documents, and the other under Order 18, Rule 17, read with Section 151 of CPC for seeking permission to recall PW1 for proving certain documents by leading his additional evidence. Full stop. The additional district judge, Delhi dismissed both the applications. Full stop. Paragraph. Dissatisfied with the said order, the respondent filed revision petition before the High Court of Delhi. Full stop. The learned single judge of the High Court by impugned order allowed the revision and set aside the order passed by the additional district judge, Delhi. Full stop. Para. Aggrieved by the said order, the appellant has preferred appeal by way of a special leave. Full stop. Para. Decision. During the entire trial, these documents have remained in exclusive possessions of the plaintiff, but for the reasons known to him, still the plaintiff has not placed these bills on record. Full stop. In such circumstances, at this belated stage, and that too after the conclusion of the evidence and final arguments, and after reserving the matter for pronouncement of judgment, the plaintiff cannot be permitted to file such applications to fill the lacune in its pleadings and evidence laid by him. Full stop. There is no acceptable reason or cause which has been shown by the plaintiff as to why these documents were not placed on record by the plaintiff during the entire trial. Full stop. After change of various provisions by way of amendment in the CPC, it is desirable that the recording of evidence should be continuous and followed by arguments and decision thereon within a reasonable time. Full stop. If the same is not followed, the purpose of amending several provisions in the code would get defeated. Full stop. In fact, applications for adjournments, reopening and recalling are interim measures, could be as far as possible avoided, and only in compelling and acceptable reasons, those applications are to be considered. Full stop. Under these circumstances, the impugned order of the High Court is set aside and the order of the trial court is restored. Full stop. Stop. सो गाइस ये डिक्टेशन था 443 वर्ड्स का. होप शो आप लोग अच्छे से लिखे होंगे. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन के साथ.